Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to reset Gmail password if you've forgotten it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave like and subscribe. So first things first, you go into the Gmail, right? You type in Gmail. Right here, you'll just click the link and you will be prompted to input your email or phone. Now, since we know our email, I'll just work with that. If you don't know your email, I'll show you later how to fix that. So let's just put our email in there, right? And I'll go next with our email, right? And here you will be prompted to enter your password. Now, since we don't know what our password is or we don't remember it, click here on forgotten password question mark. Right, and you will be put into account recovery. Now, confirm the number you have provided in your security settings. When you've created your Gmail account, you've been prompted to put in your phone number. So, if you remember that phone number, that's great. You just put it in here. You will choose the right country that you live in or where the number is from. So I will just quickly do that here just to show you how it looks. Now, there are two options. If you ever logged into your Gmail with your phone, or if you have Google on your phone, you will get a prompt like this. Check your phone, pull down the notification bar and tap inside notifications. Tap yes, then tap 2 on your phone to verify it's you. Right, that's great. Now, if you didn't get the code, you can just do resend here. Maybe there was some issues, so you might need to send it again. If you don't have it, or if it doesn't work for you, you can just press try another way right over here down. Now, there is a second way over here. If you have Google Authenticator app and you ever used it with your Gmail account, you can just go to your Android phone or iPhone and maybe even tablet. You open up the Google Authenticator and you will have Gmail or Google. Right there, you will have 6 numbers code. So you just put in the code here and you will do the next. Then you will be prompted to change your account password. Now, if you don't have that, you can try another way. And you will get the verification code. If the phone number was correct, you will get another message on your phone with the code. You can do send and then you will be prompted to enter the code that you got on your phone again. You can do the fourth way, try another way right over here. And it will usually say you didn't provide enough info for Google to be sure this account is really yours. Now, as you can see, I had 3 verification methods for my forgotten password. There is a fourth way. If you have the recovery Gmail, you will be prompted for that, right? So it will says your recovery Gmail account, we sent notification for that. So you have to check your recovery Gmail. Now, if you don't know or if you can't still get in your Gmail, you can do more tips to recover your account. And right here you will have tips to complete account recovery steps. Right, so you got a lot of stuff from Google. I would recommend going through all of that. You have account recovery page that we've been on. Answer as many questions as possible, right? Try not to skip questions. Use familiar device, that's usually your phone, tablet, or maybe another PC. Yeah, and I would recommend being in the location, since Google can track your location and it will check when you are logging in if you are logging from the same address, IP address. Right, be exact with passwords, don't forget typos, numbers, uppercase, lower cases, stuff like that. If you are asked the last password to remember, you can also put in that. And if you don't remember your password, use previous one, right, that you do remember. That might be another option for you. If you remember the password before you had this one, you might still be prompted to change your password, and it will says your password was changed, for example, 3 months ago or something like that. If you can't confidently recall any previous passwords, take your best guesses. Now, another options, enter an email connected to your account. If I ask to enter email addresses, you can check now. Enter one that you've added to your account. Here are some examples. Recovery email, I mentioned that. Alternate email, you can have alternate emails. A contact email address is where you get information. Oh, yes, right. Check your spam folders, don't forget about that. Also check if you don't have Gmail account blocked on your phone. For example, if you didn't receive any SMSs with the codes. And also, if you are using Google Authenticator app, don't forget to check. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, don't forget to check if you are on the correct Gmail account or Google account. Now, we have option here, you can just try to read more, right? So you can change or reset your password. If you click on that, you will get prompts again where you are using when you are right now. So for example, we are trying to log in on a computer right now, but you can be on Android or you can be on a iPhone or iPad, right? You will get videos here. And for example, right here, how do I change my Google account password? That's when you already know your logins and you want to just change your password. So just change your password here, or you can go to your Google account and complete these steps below. Now resetting your password, again what we discussed before, check your spam, add request another email, right, check all email addresses. And here is what happens when you change your password, if you want to read that. You can also do here, can't sign into a Google account, and if you forgot your email, you can just do this and it will automatically show you possible resolutions to your problem, right? So that's it. Now if you've forgotten your address or email address, you can just go back to your Google account, and if you forgot an email, you can go here, forgot email. Again, you will be prompted to type in your email if you know it, or another connected emails to that. You can just try another emails if you have them in, for example, recovery as a recovery email, or right here you can just put in your phone number again that you have connected to that. Again, if you don't know, here is help. It's in another language, sorry about it, but here is help again. You can go back to the same settings that we were here and you can try to find your issue, right? You can even describe your issue here. So you can go for I forgot my password, and here you will have change or reset your password when on what device you are. So you go computer and you can just read here again. So yeah, if you have any other issues, don't forget to leave them in comments. I hope that helped you, and yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. If this helped you, don't forget to leave like and subscribe. Thank you, have a good one.